Every page holds a universe of possibilities. That's what I felt when I first opened the Hiccups Again epic adventure find it book with my little one. The sparkle in her eyes as we turned each page made my heart swell. I watched as her curiosity transformed into skills right before my eyes. Every hidden item she found was a victory. For those moments of bonding and blissful giggles, I'll always be grateful. Experience this joy with your child. Dive into this adventure together and watch their world expand. Join us on this unforgettable journey.